in behalf of our sister Andrea De Leon's not physically present here, she's giving us a message from her heart. She cannot be here tonight with us because she's busy propagating and evangelizing the people in all the remote places in the Philippines. She's now doing a physical and spiritual healing to all our brothers and sisters who really are in need. Because she said, here we are all okay. Remember, we supposed to have a strong typhoon, but we are spared. Because of our faith, we are being blessed. That's what she said. So we continue praying and doing good deeds for the glory of God, not for our glory. And now here is her speech. Message. Good evening to all beloved children of God. First of all, I want to express my profound thanksgiving to our dear Almighty Father, Son Jesus Christ, and the Holy Spirit for all the graces bestowed on us. To our dear Blessed Mother Mary's unconditional love. And to all of you, my dear faithful, thank you so much. Tonight's 30 years of existence is a sign of God's great love to each and everyone. It will never be possible if you never build it. My dear brothers and sisters, God is giving us the chance to change, to become worthy in His kingdom. Last year's theme that He gave us is to prepare and pray, for we don't know what will happen next. Are we really prepared? Or we keep pretending and continue doing acts against His will? Ask yourselves, my dear brothers and sisters. The world now is full of confusions and fear because of natural catastrophes and human destructions. This will only be spared and be overcome if we do have the heart with full of love and compassion, like the heart of Jesus and Mary. The Lord always points His hand to His heart because He's telling to us that His love for us is glowing. And He wants us to follow the same if we want to have peace. He never forsakes anybody in spite of our waywardness. Most of us had forgotten and ignored His God's law of love. To love God with all your heart and to love your neighbor as you love yourself. Mostly my brothers and sisters are attached to the material world. All for money, money, money. That leads many to suffer. The denominations and all kind of faith who are supposed to be the instrument of God's image, yet already attached to materialism, they use His word, the Bible, for their own glorification, misleading the people of the true faith. The so-called public servants, the government leaders, and officials with many agendas, only to know that these are full of empty promises and abuse their powers for their own personal interests. The supposed to be peacemakers of the universe become the danger of humanity. The must-be caregivers of health don't give upfront service if the victim got no means to pay. All of these are acts of selfishness and lack of love. But even though with all this, God's love to us never fades, and that's what He wants from us, most especially to the needy. Love, my dear brothers and sisters, is an unconditional sacrificial action and commitment for one another. It does not see faults and weaknesses or distinguish people who are good or bad. It is the greatest power in the universe, mightier than machinery, weapons, money, or masses. Compassion is the expression of perfect love. It does not recognize boundaries between nations, religions, and beliefs. Simply forgives and forgets. Always willing to help without counting the cost and not expecting something in return. With these two great words, my brothers and sisters, love and compassion, we will find peace in our hearts, to our family, to the community, and to the whole world. We don't need to worry. In God we trust. Mama Mary loves us so much. She's always there for us. Thank you. Andang kuluna si Dios mase. Maraming salamat po. God bless us all. Viva Santa Maria! Viva Santa Maria! Viva Santa Maria! Thank you so much.